Alright, looks like something arrived today in the mail. Let's see what it is. They're here. The American Sensors 770 LBX smoke alarms. I think they look really cool. So now we're going to get to unboxing it. Oh wait, the staples. I'm going to unbox both of them as well, not just one of them. Both of them. I hate it when they use literal staples. They're literally using staples to keep these things secure. Like, seriously? It's kind of a cut hazard. An injury hazard. I'm gonna unbox them. Start with this one. So, alright, here's the first one. Remove the bracket. Looks to be the American Sensors model, not the LBS, BRK model. Some of these do have an orange connector, orange wire. Here's the manual. Please see manual. I'm going to get to this one next. Remove before use. Alright, now I'm going to get the battery in. Oh yeah, I just noticed it has this tamper pin. This tampers this locking screw. Alright, let's get the battery in. Let's see. Oh, got chirp. Here's the battery release. I'll show you. There it is. Excuse me. It's just I'm just getting back from an illness, so that's why I might be sniffling from time to time. Okay. Yeah, I know it's chirping. The battery's kind of old. I'll be right back. Okay, update. The clip did. I don't think the clip's good anymore. Actually, see, it's just not going to close. So I gotta put it on the bracket real quick. So I can't put it on the bracket since it's... Hang on. So yeah, this one decided to break since, see, this is it's kind of broken. Aha. Oh, it stopped. Yeah, the test button is a bit sensitive. That's what I've just noticed. It actually does code 1 pulse. I was expecting it to do a, like code 3 or something. Forget it. We're on to the next one. So I hope, let's see if we can have better luck with this one. Because that one just decided to break. I'm gonna have to jerry rig it or something. Try this one. So I took it out like I did with the first one. So see, this one actually has a working clip. Guess that's just what went wrong. So this one was made in 2005. This one was also made in 2005. Oh, this one was actually made a little bit later into production. So it actually went defunct pretty recently. Looks like. So let's try this one. There you go. Battery went in. See, this one does code 3. So I guess the first one's just a bad batch. So it looks like this one doesn't want to go in either. Like what? Did I just get a pile of duds? That's weird. That never happens in the personal Fox community. Alright. So this one actually went in. Until it broke again. Weird. There we go. That broke again. So let's see what this one sounds like. Another code 1 pulse. Let's try installing this one's battery again. So I guess I just installed it the wrong way. This one's clipped, kind of decided to kick the bucket, so it's let's try reinstalling this one's battery. Might just install it the wrong way. Thank God they have screws. It's always what you need with screws. Huh. This one seems to have a bad battery since it's chirping. So this does have a screw to both of them actually do. So what? For what? Using lithium batteries? Well, I got complete. Bit of bad news about this one. The battery got completely stuck in it. So I'm gonna have to get a got it. So excuse me about that runny nose. It's because I've been sick lately, like I mentioned a little bit ago. So let me try a different battery with this one. I'll be back. I got the trusty Duracell. So I'm going to show you how to install the battery. This is a recommended battery, apparently. There we go. I wish they did better, more clearly marked the batteries, how to install it. But there we go. Got the battery installed. So now we gotta get the battery screw. There's a screw. Because I did break the clip by accident. Whoops. Whoops. Alright, I got to get the screwdriver over back. After a lot of confusion and delay, as well as a lot of handiwork, of dad repairs essentially, a lot of my handiwork, I got these both fixed. So now we're gonna connect the harnesses. These are a very weird harness. I gotta admit, this is one of the strangest harnesses I've ever seen. Take like a massive, like a ton to remove. So let's test both of them. So they both work. Had to use the tamper screw for this one. There you go. So currently on the board, I have the 4121. And the I-4618. But they don't seem to be interconnecting today. Right now. I'll have to fix it while I install these. Alright, with a lot of confusion and delay involved, I got them plugged in. Let's test them. Hey, they worked! Let's try this one. Sending a signal. Oh yeah, a little mishap happened with the connector. With the plug, because I actually plugged it in the wrong way. It caused a spark. Oh my god, there's lawnmowers everywhere now. Damn! So anyways, I hope you like this longer than normal video. I'll see you in a little while. Bye. Hope you like this video. Bye.